You're watching a video made with zero filming, no camera, no studio. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the system behind it, how one image turns into a reusable video library. If you're still recording videos the old way, you're paying with time, stress, and inconsistency. This is not a tool review. This is not a hack. This is a repeatable production system. The system has 3 parts. Miss one, it breaks. We start with the image. Part 1. Image. What speaks to its actor. Most people try to generate one perfect avatar. That's the first mistake. You're not creating an image, you're casting an actor. Generate one strong base image, the front view, then don't start over. Reuse the same prompt and add close up, turned left, surprised. In minutes, you have a full set. This is your reusable digital actor. Want to find the perfect AI for images? Watch my top 10 free AI image generators guide, link below. Part 2, audio, a textured control. This rule decides whether the system works or fails. One audio file must be under 3 minutes, not 3. 255. Why? Because most free plans have a strict 3-minute limit per file. 255 is your buffer. No cutoffs, no lost work. Long scripts are cut into modules. This is how the system scales. Now, the session limit. That's the size of a typical free session in many AI video platforms. It's not a hack. It's understanding the platform's architecture. You complete one session, you start the next. The system is modular, so the specific limit doesn't matter. Struggling to write the prompt for your avatar? My video Stop Using Magic Prompts shows a system for talking to AI, link in description. Part 3, assembly line. Now we stop thinking like creators, we start thinking like a factory. The system is modular by design. Audio Module 1 generates your first batch, all angles. You render one module, then you move to the next. This is orchestration. The output is always a reusable library, never a single long file. Once you understand this framework, the specific tool is replaceable. You are not generating a video. You are building a library, every angle, every part, always reusable. Part 4. Editing, Snake illusion. In CapCut, you don't edit video, you select performances, statement, front, question, surprised. The viewer feels dialogue. This system works for YouTube, courses, explainers. What agencies sell as a service, you now control. Final. Now, your choice. What should the next video on this channel be about? A. AI script writing, how to find topics and write with AI. B. Voiceover, how to make audio sound professional, AI or your voice. Write A or B in the comments. The topic with the most votes becomes our next release. Let's build this channel together. If this system changed your perspective, subscribe to see it happen. Your move. Your studio is now open.